Cucumber water is water that is infused with cucumbers, by immersing and soaking cucumber slices in a pitcher of water. While this may sound overly simple, many of the active ingredients of cucumber infuse in the water, boosting your overall nutrient intake. Drinking water is an important part of any healthy diet, so tweaking the recipe slightly to improve its impact is a wise choice. Drinking cucumber water will increase your vitamin C levels, as well as beta-carotene, manganese, molybdenum, and various other antioxidants, including cucurbitacin. Cucumbers also contain silica, which has a number of positive effects on the body. Most importantly, however, this is a delicious and unique twist on an average glass of water that will keep you coming back for more. 1. Skin care. There are a number of antioxidants and antioxidant vitamins found in cucumbers that can help with skin health, as antioxidants are able to neutralize free radicals, which cuts down on oxidative stress, the force that can lead to wrinkles, age spots, blemishes, and loose skin as you age. 2. Weight loss. Cucumber water is extremely good at filling you up. Water is naturally good at this because thirst is often mistaken for hunger. When you make cucumber water a larger part of your diet, it will prevent some of the overeating and unnecessary snacking between meals that can derail any diet. 3. Heart issues. Drinking cucumber water is an excellent way to increase your potassium levels, which is a vital electrolyte for overall health. Potassium also acts as a vasodilator to reduce blood pressure and lower strain on the cardiovascular system, thus reducing your risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes and coronary heart disease. 4. Bone density. Although there aren't many minerals in cucumber water, it does contain silica and manganese, among other trace elements. This can help to strengthen the bones and lower your risk of osteoporosis as you age. 5. Cancer. Cucumbers contain a unique compound called cucurbitacin, which acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. In recent years, this compound has been the subject of a great deal of research, and it has been found that drinking cucumber water can lower your risk of prostate cancer, among others. 6. Detoxifying. Drinking cucumber water means drinking a great deal of water, which can help to flush the body and increase urination. This means the toxins in your body will be eliminated faster, reducing the strain on your metabolic system. 7. Muscle strength. One of the unique components of cucumber water is silica, which is a mineral that is rarely discussed in relation to human health. However, it is a vital part of connective tissue in the body, and can, therefore, help muscle growth and tone. How to make cucumber water. Making your own cucumber water at home is the preferred method for drinking this beverage, as it is inexpensive and very easy to prepare. Step 1. Clean and slice a cucumber, 3-4 slices for a glass, or an entire cucumber for a pitcher. Step 2. Fill a pitcher, glass with cold water and add the cucumbers. Step 3. Add ice to keep the cucumbers submerged, ensuring that the nutrients are released into the water. Step 4. Allow the beverage to sit for at least 10-15 minutes before drinking. Step 5. Reuse the same cucumbers with additional water. Discard cucumbers after 24 hours.